This is Mike from MPCstuff. Today we're going to install the MPCstuff PortSaver on the Akai MPC-X. This is going to go over on the back side of the MPC, which is going to give us protection over these ports on the back, including the power port and the other ones. They come in three colors: black, retro, and red. We also do custom colors, which are on the site for a little extra. Here you'll see there's a screw there, and then you have the other screw, which is for the cable there. Unscrew that one with our hand, and the other one with a Phillips screwdriver. Once we have those out, we'll be able to apply our PortSaver. The PortSaver will go on, and we'll line up the two holes. Once the holes are lined up, we're going to grab the thumb screw first, because that'll be the easier one. So we're going to put the thumb screw in first, then screw in the other Phillips screw, and now that we have it straight, we have our PortSaver in there and protecting our carrier board, which is very susceptible to pulling from the left to right side and damaging the port inside the fragile carrier PCB board. You also have it here, and you see how it folds around the USB ports. Here's our main USB port 3.0. That will also go in, and it'll keep it from moving left to right or up and down, causing any damage to that PCB carrier board. You might come across the fact that you're using USB jump drives or a thicker USB cable. It'll make it so it will not reach inside because it's protruding out to protect that port. So we have an adapter that we can put in that's available on the site as an add-on. And you go ahead and put that in there, and that will allow you to use a jump drive or a thicker USB cable that you might be using. We also have another option, because a lot of units now, you'll notice your cell phone and other things are using USB-C. So this will allow your MPC also to have a USB-C port on the back, and those adapters can go right in directly. And you can get them today on MPCstuff.com.